Diversification is so important. And you ask about diversification across asset classes. So, for example, I invest in multifamily. I also invest in single family, self storage. But it's not just asset class that we should be diversifying across. We should be diversifying across location. Not all areas are going to get impacted equally. There are going to be some areas that are going to get hit harder than others. We're already starting to see that in the commercial space. The coastal cities are getting hit a lot harder than the Midwest and the inland cities. So make sure you're diversifying across locations. Make sure you diversify across exit strategies. So don't just buy properties that are stabilized, also buy some new development. Also diversify across operators. Invest across different types of syndications and funds that are run by different operators, because that way you'll have some diversification across a knowledge space, you'll have diversification across the experience of the operators, and you'll have diversification across how these operators manage their properties. Especially going into tumultuous economic times, diversification is literally the single best way to hedge and to protect your capital.